Fall may not be what you think of as the ideal time for adding battery testing to your complimentary customer services. But right after the heat and humidity of those grueling summer months and right before the cold of winter is actually the perfect time to test the true health of the battery in your customers' vehicles and see if it needs to be replaced. The extreme heat of those summer months, when temperatures reach or exceed 100 degrees under the hood, can do a number on the battery in several ways. It accelerates the chemical reactions inside the battery that can lead to faster degradation of the battery's conducting plates. Heat causes the water in the battery's electrolyte solution to evaporate quicker, thereby increasing the concentration of sulfuric acid, which can lead to overcharging and damage. High temperatures also accelerate the corrosion, inhibiting electrical connections and reducing the battery's reliability. Extreme heat can also worsen sulfation, the buildup of lead sulfate crystals on the battery plates after charging. Sulfation lessens the battery's ability to hold a charge. And finally, during those hot summer months, the battery is simply taxed more with greater air conditioning and other electrical system use that depletes battery reserve. Autel has a line of dedicated battery, starting, and charging testers known for their accuracy, ease of use, and value. Let's take a quick look at each and see what the best one is for your shop. The MaxiBoss BT609 is a super lightweight, Android-based Wi-Fi tablet with a 7-inch display. It offers full all-system scan capability. It can read and erase codes, view freeze-frame data, graph live data, and perform an array of service and maintenance tasks such as oil light reset, electronic parking brake, and airbag reset. The MaxiBoss BT608 is a handheld Android-based tool with similar scan capabilities, plus a built-in thermal printer perfect for generating detailed, shop-customized battery status reports for your customers. The BT506 is an app-based battery testing solution compatible with Android and iOS-based devices and with almost all Autel MaxiSys tablets. All three tools share comprehensive battery functionality. All use adaptive conductance to produce a more accurate exam of the battery status and test for state of health in addition to state of charge. So even if a battery is poorly charged, these tools can determine if the cell is bad and the battery needs to be replaced. They all support in-vehicle and out-of-vehicle testing of passenger vehicle batteries. The 608 and 609 can test 6 and 12 volt batteries with 100 to 3000 cold cranking amps, while the 506 can test up to 2000 cold cranking amps. All three can test flooded AGM, AGM spiral, EFB, and gel batteries. We've just touched the surface in exploring these tools. Watch for future videos when we'll review other features, including battery registration and component tests. I'm John Amato. Thanks for watching.